How to use this system. This online course is accompanied by a PDF which serves as your training and reference manual. The reference manual, along with this online training, provides an overview of the Critical Conversations Human Resources Progressive Discipline Model. One amazing benefit to this system is that it provides you and your employees, your managers, a systematic approach to handling performance issues. Many organizations deal with having multiple managers disciplining their employees in various ways. This provides one approach that all of your managers must follow. You also have a common language that's accompanied with this system, and that's a great benefit. This guide and this system provides guidance on what to do before, during, and after a performance intervention. It will help your managers every step of the way when dealing with an employee performance issue.